Ah, autumn. As far as seasons go, I would probably compare it to the middle child nobody really cares about. The best bit about autumn is, you guessed it, Halloween. So my channel is fairly new and I don't really know what I'm doing with it just yet, but I've decided to try and get more than 6 views on this video by making it relevant to the time of year. Smart, I know. So here is my attempt at making a jack-o'-lantern with absolutely no artistic skills or patience needed. So to the parents out there looking for tips,
The boys got you covered.
So this part is optional, but I like to really get in the mood and sort of serenade the sacrificial pumpkin by lighting a few candles and turning off the lights. Ooh. Next up, ignoring the previous attempt that you can slightly see on the pumpkin on the right side, you need to draw your outline. Now for more patient people, you can really spend time doing this and maybe even cut out a stencil. But let's be real here. I'm making this for a YouTube video and you're making it to conform with society. What I'm trying to say is, unless you have the talent, it doesn't need to be special. Now at this point, things are probably starting to get scary for you. After all, you're about to brandish a knife and start cutting a piece out of a vegetable that was only alive and thriving in the ground a few days ago. You sicko. Cutting through a pumpkin is far more difficult than it looks, so please be careful. Next up, remove the guts with a spoon and add sound effects to make it more spooky. Ooh. Don't forget, if you're making a video like this, once you're done washing up behind the scenes, record the water emptying through the plug hole for a spooky sound effect to add to the end of your video, showcasing your masterful attempt at making a jack-o'-lantern. Please suggest some video ideas and consider subscribing to save me from more embarrassment about this video. And if you made it this far, Jesus, you need to do something with your life. See you guys.